Alright guys, so we'll do an update video on the Nano Bond ceramic coating. I think I applied it sometime in August. But anyways, it's now I think December 2nd or 3rd today. I think December 3rd. So it's been raining. Kind of wanting to try and snow today, but I'll show you guys how it's holding up here. Let's see. So it's still repelling water pretty nicely. Yep, it's working pretty good. You know, there's the other side that I didn't coat, and then the right side I did coat, and it's still working pretty good. Yeah, so for the price of that stuff, of Nano Bond ceramic coating, yeah, it's pretty good. So far I've only seen it on Amazon, so you'll have to go check it out there. Anyways, there's your update, and thanks for watching. Bye.